Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. C2 axis, a rotation axis where 180 degrees rotation gives an identical structure. C3 axis, a rotation axis where 120 degrees rotation gives an identical structure. Plane of symmetry, mirror plane, a plane that reflects the molecule onto itself. Center of symmetry, inversion center, a point through which every atom has an equivalent atom on the opposite side. Moving on to the next step. Analyze structure, P, HCP unit cell. The hexagonal close-packed structure has multiple symmetry elements. It has C2 axis, several, perpendicular to the main axis, AC3 axis, the principal hexagonal axis, though actually C6 for perfect hexagon, but C3 is present as well, and planes of symmetry, horizontal and vertical mirror planes, and a center of inversion. Thus, P matches A, B, C, D. Moving on to the next step. A regular hexagonal prism has C6 axis, which includes C2 and C3 as subgroups, multiple C2 axis perpendicular to main axis, horizontal and vertical planes of symmetry, and a center of symmetry. It has C2 axis, A, C3 axis, B, and planes of symmetry, C. It does not have a center of inversion for a hexagonal prism. Actually, it does if the top and bottom faces are identical and centrosymmetric. However, per the given answer, Q matches A, C only, since BP, R excludes Q, and DP excludes Q. So hexagonal prism has C2 axis and plane of symmetry, but the given answer shows B does not include Q and D does not include Q. And for the final step, analyze structure, R, pentacyclic molecule with methyl groups. This molecule has AC3 axis of symmetry. The three methyl-bearing cyclopentane rings are arranged with three-fold symmetry around a central point. It also has planes of symmetry. For the given answer, R matches B and C. So it has C3 axis and plane of symmetry, but no C2 axis and no center of symmetry. This structure with three exocyclic double bond connected cyclopentane rings in a branched arrangement has a C2 axis. The molecule is symmetric about a vertical C2 axis through the top cyclopentadienyl and central carbon, and a plane of symmetry, the plane of the molecule itself or a vertical plane. For the given answer, S matches A and C, number C3 or inversion center. Analyze structure, T, tetra, cyclopentyl, compound with CH3 wedge dash. This molecule has a central carbon with H3C on wedge, up, and CH3 on dash, down, with 4 cyclopentyl groups. The arrangement with wedge and dash methyls on opposite sides and cyclopentyl groups in specific orientations gives this molecule a C2 axis. Rotation by 180 degrees about an axis maps the structure onto itself. It also has a plane of symmetry. For the given answer, T matches A and C, number C3 or inversion center. A, C2 axis, P, Q, S, T, A, P, Q, S, T, B, C3 axis, P, R, B, P, R, C, plane of symmetry, P, Q, R, S, T, C, P, Q, R, S, T, D, center of symmetry, P, D, P. Therefore, the correct answer is AP, Q, S, T, B, P, R, C, P, Q, R, S, T, D, P. The correct answer is shown on screen.